Hey, what's up everybody? Coming at you with another YouTube video, another product review video. I absolutely love doing these. And if you're new to my channel, I just want to say, hey, what's up? And what we do is on this channel is I give you the tips, tricks, tools, and strategies for you to make money online and to quit your 9-to-5 job and get whatever time freedom, financial freedom you are looking for. And in today's product review video, we are going to look at the very popular and very wildly successful, the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge by Jonathan Montoya. And also I want to congratulate him on being a 2 Comma Club Award winner with ClickFunnels. And if you don't know what that is, obviously I'm sure if you're watching this video, you've heard of ClickFunnels. And to be able to make over $1 million with your product or service using ClickFunnels is no small feat in of itself. I mean, that is very huge. I want to congratulate him, and a very excellent job, well done. Now, in like previous product review videos, I'm going to give you like the high level overview, and then you can make the decision for yourself. Okay, I've been through it myself. A very excellent program. It's one of the $7 courses, and it basically gives you a good foundational start. And so that's what we're all about. So what we're going to do is, you've already seen my wonderful little my artwork here. So we're just going to erase all that for now. I'm going to try to do this quickly. Gosh, this should be like B-roll footage. So we're just going to get that all cleaned off here. And of course, this one, Jonathan Montoya put this out, and he's revised it and revamped it over the course of a couple of years. So nothing wrong there. That is very cool. And I have gone through, just like my last review videos, I have gone through these myself. And that's the thing too, because I've seen and talked to a lot of people wanting to get into the space. And I asked that question. It's like, they're like, I want to review this product, or I want to affiliate with this product. I said, well, have you used it? No, but I heard reviews. Red flag right there. That is a major timeout. My recommendation is, if you're going to be an affiliate for a program, a product, a certain, whatever the case may be, if you're going to be that ambassador, you're going to partner with them, you definitely want to be in the trenches. You want to have invested in that product or service or program or coaching or whatever the case may be. You want to have used it inside and out, not just dabble maybe here and there. No, you want to have seen it, because how else are you going to recommend something if you haven't used it? So here we are today. Right here is, we're going to go through just a little bit of the my thoughts and review of the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge from Jonathan Montoya. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get right into it. So again, this right here is one of those introductory courses. It's for a lot of the beginners who want to get started on their way up that ladder. Let me use a different color here, because I always seem to use black. Let me use blue, because I like blue. Blue's my color. Blue's my jam. If you've seen my Facebook cover, if you've seen my YouTube cover, you'll understand that. So, we've all seen something like this, right? The value ladder. Value ladder. Again, I touched on this before. This is a very common methodology. There is nothing wrong with this, but most of the time people are playing down here. So yeah, they're starting down here, and their only focus is right here. And I think, like I said before, a common misconception is that a $7 course is not going to make you $10,000 in 30 days or overnight. It's not. That is just, if you do the math, that is just not possible. Yes, you will be able to get the understanding, the framework. You'll be able to have a launching point to start off, because you can literally use this. You can apply these skills, but it's going to take time. It does. It takes time. Nothing like this happens overnight. It does not happen. Does not exist. It is a complete myth. So what we're going to focus on here is I'm going to review just like high level the $7 course without actually going into back offices, because I think that's, like I said before, very unethical. I don't like doing that. I like to give you what my experience has been with it and then run with it. So with that out of the way, if you haven't seen my videos before, I've talked about the 3 concepts of any online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, whatever. You need these 3 things, and I'll go ahead and switch over to it. You need an offer. You need an offer, system, and traffic. 1, 2, 3. You literally need these 3 things right here. You need an offer, you need a system, and you need traffic. And so the 3-day business breakthrough challenge for me was actually a great knockout blow. Although I find myself to be a little bit more experienced, I'm not quite a beginner. Not to say that I still don't learn things, because I went through the 3-day challenge because I knew at the time, this is going back before I found my mentor that I really resonated with, that I connected with. And by the way, that is, if you would like that training, hit the description. You check out the description down below. Check out the first comment, and you can actually go through a free training to take the actually steps beyond this. But I will get to that at the end. So the business break the 3-day business challenge, the 3-day challenge right here, it pretty much covers this at a high level. You're not going to go deep into it, but you get enough to get going. And so, you'll get to touch on things like mindset, having the right frame of mind, because a lot of people, they say they want to have their financial freedom. I see it all the time. I want that financial freedom. I want to make more money. I want to I want to quit my 9 to 5. But people say it, but then they don't do. They talk the game, but don't actually walk it. Don't actually preach it. Don't actually do it. But being in a right frame of mind ensures, like, once you get to that point, okay, I'm good to go. You get that type of training with Jonathan inside the course. He will also get access. You will also be able to build your system out. He'll be able to take you through building that system, and he will take you through step by step on what exactly you need to do in some detail. So it's not like a one-on-one hand-holding mentorship or coaching in that regards. It is the beginning point. It gets you started, because you can take that knowledge and go up. You can keep going up and up and up and up. And that's the whole point. That is the whole point of this, of the 3-day challenge, is to get you on that path. And then, of course, on the other day, because we had day 1, day 2, and basically day 3. Day 3 goes into basically traffic. So it is pretty much very self-explanatory. It is, how do you get people to come to you to buy your product or service, or go through your recommendations. Because if you're just out there chasing money, not going to work. I'm sorry. You've been fed lies. But it goes into the process of getting people to connect. It's all about connecting with people and getting, as many, good eyeballs on your product as possible, but with the ethical ways of doing it. And so you will get that inside the 3-day challenge. You will get those you will get those components right there. And of course, just to review real quick, we're just going to go through one more time. Offer, system, traffic. You will basically get these 3 things. Any course that I've seen covers this. This right here will not change. That is a constant, because if you don't have these 3 things structured, it's game over. It is absolutely game over. And I think Jonathan Montoya with the 3-day challenge does an excellent job of getting you started. And now, of course, I had mentioned the value ladder. Of course, whenever you're going through this, because this really follows Russell Brunson's methodology of being able to make money online, build your business, go to where you want to go. So there are, just so that way we're clear, you know, there's some one-time offers, there's some order bumps and one-time offers for some additional bonuses. Some, you know, next level when you're ready to, you know, if you want to take that to that next level. So maybe you want to do, you know, something that's outside of this bubble right here. There are a couple of options on the way up. And then of course at the very top, you know, if you feel like you really want to take it to that next level, is you go up to the you go up to Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. This is the upper, this is the very top. I should have put it up here. But yeah, I think that's the $1,500 advanced, very advanced, you know, that is the advanced coaching and the advanced instruction, the advanced deep dive. I've seen, you know, I have experienced that. So I'm gonna say, yeah, because right here we got $7. There's a couple, I think this is $37.97, $14.97. From what I recall, that's what that value ladder is for when you start the $7 course and then work your way up to Freedom Breakthrough. So again, this right here is where you get the extra. It takes these three concepts from the 3-day challenge and just explodes it, and just it is a super deep dive as to becoming a student. So you are basically a student of the game at that point, and then you can just take off and run with it. And of course, there are some extra bonuses with the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. So I would say that's really it as far as the 3-day challenge. I have nothing bad to say about it. I've been through it. It's helped me a lot. It helped me understand things about myself and how to accomplish certain things, because I had been stuck inside of a different bubble through most of 2020 and 2021. I was stuck in some weird bubbles, and I've escaped from that. And this was a launching point to help me get to where I am right now. And so this right here, while it is very good, if you are looking for something more than this, check out the my website below the description for you'll get a free training from my mentor, and you will be able to see what it can take to be able to scale from 0 up to $10,000 using proven methods from a proven 7-figure, 8-figure mentor. So my mentor currently. So I find it, me personally, I resonated more with the program I have in the description. Yes, this is very good. Not everything will resonate with everybody. So this was my launching point right here. This was I was able to take this. I was able to take all this and go take all of this, you know, take all this and go way up here. So I am going up here, way off, but still following these 3 things right here, just in a more high level, more advanced coaching and mentorship. But I can definitely recommend you guys some free training down below, like I said, in the comments and the description. And with that out of the way, thank you guys for tuning in to this video. And if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you hit the like button, hit the bell, and hit the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. That way you get notified of future videos so you don't miss out. So thank you for watching. I am Chris McManamy. I will see you guys in the next video. All right, take care.